Let's take a look at how to set up a custom sort order instead of only alphabetical. So here in my spreadsheet, I've set up a pretty typical tier list. Here in column A, I have the name. In column E, I just have some stuff hidden here that's not relevant. Here in column E, I have the overall ranking for each of these civs. And this is the sort order for a standard tier list, where S is on top, followed by A, B, C, and then oftentimes they'll go D, E, F if there's more. But in this case, I just have these four I need to worry about: S, A, B, C. Okay? So if I just sort by overall, it does sort it A, B, C, S, which for alphabetical is proper. But I don't want that. I want S's at the top before everything else. To do this, I do need a helper column. Let's just call this order. Order, I can spell. And now here I'm going to use a match function to find where their ranking is within my custom sort order. Let me lock the range that I'm looking in and say that I do want it to be an exact search. All right, so it does find C is the fourth element. And if I expand that, I'm not sure what over, if I expand this all the way down, now I can see where each of those fall. S is 1, B is 3, A is 2, all the way. Now instead of sorting on overall, I'm going to sort on order. A to Z. And now I do properly get my S's, then A's, then B's. It is a little bit unfortunate that I cannot do this without having a helper function, helper column, and this extra sort order. I can't just build that into here. There's no custom sort. I mean, there is a custom sort, but that's not what it does. Advanced sorting just lets me change which sort, like which columns I'm sorting, or rather the order of columns by which I am sorting. It doesn't let me put in functions or anything else in there. So if you want a custom sort order, you need a range that says what that order is. Technically that could be built into the function, but honestly it's usually nice to be able to see that outside. And then create the helper column and then sort on the helper column. That's what you do to get a custom sort order in Google Sheets.